What's up, ladies? Back again with another unboxing. This time we are checking out hair prescriptives. This line is for the most effective natural hair care solution for thicker, healthier, and fuller hair. Okay, so first step we have the stimulating shampoo. The shampoo gently cleanses the hair, removing buildup and excess oil. The conditioner is lightweight, restores and rebalances moisture levels, and provides essential hydration. Baby, this hair serum, when your hair shines, you shine, okay? This daily nourishing cream is perfect for grooming solutions for all hair textures, providing style control no matter the weather. This active hair and scalp treatment is clinically proven to increase blood flow and oxygen levels to the scalp. It strengthens and nourishes each hair follicle at the core, giving the cortex and the cuticle optimal elasticity and durability. It's great to restore and revitalize the hair, improving density and hair thickness, delivering visible results and overall volume. Not gonna lie, y'all, it smells so good. Like peppermints. I'm about to wash my hair right now, because why not? And y'all about to learn how to get the silkiest press ever. Okay, let's get into this. Oh, my bad. Love a good shampoo, okay? And off top, as I was adding this into my hair, this was the first wash, and baby, okay, y'all see it sudsing. Y'all see it. It took no time. I got thick hair, so I gotta add extra shampoo. But the suds was sudsing, okay? Loved it. Smelled really good. Y'all, this scalp massaging brush is life, okay? It helps get all the extra little spots that I can't reach. Listen, I feel like I'm at the salon. Nah, I know y'all hear that. Squeaky clean. Like, that's crazy. Squeaking. Loved it. Loved every minute of it. Now I'm about to add this conditioner. And this conditioner, I ain't gonna lie, the moment I put that junk on my scalp, I felt a cooling sensation. Y'all know, like, it feel like somebody blowing through y'all scalp. That's literally how I felt. I literally had to get back in the shower. I'm like, damn, I ain't had one of these little conditioners in a minute, but baby, my scalp was very happy. Now I'm grabbing my handy dandy Knotless K Detangle Brush, and I love this brush. Y'all see how the bristles, they all separate, and I'm real tender-headed. All this hair of mine, I've been tender-headed since birth, okay? So this brush allows the tangles, it just don't hurt the same. Now I'm going to add the Daily Nourishing Cream, and they say this helps protect your hair no matter the weather, okay? And baby, I'm showing y'all the silk press today. So we got to make it last because it is summertime. Summertime. Your girl trying to get a little gloss because, you know, the shine, it has to be shining. There we go. A little gloss. Next thing coming up, I'm about to blow dry this little crazy hair using my Lane blow dryer. And yeah, check it out.